So the core problem is to change the notification panel. You have to go to the control center, then not the control center, actually themes. So we are going on themes. Then you gotta search the theme name. Let me show you here which the theme support at the control center blur. The Lavici Lavic V1. This is the new theme this support, and then the supported theme is no. I don't have any much more. Only this theme. These have the features. This theme has the feature, but you don't want the whole theme to do that. You just want the control center, so you have to first you have to download this, then you will go on the customize setting, then status bar. You will select this theme option, then apply, and it will show your blurred and colorful control center. Okay, I think that will help.